Hey everyone, it's your name here. If you're watching this, you're serious about getting your website to the top of Google. Ranking #1 on Google in 2025 isn't about some secret formula or hack. It's about understanding what Google wants and giving it to them. In this video, I'm breaking down the 4 essential steps you need to take to dominate Google search in 2025. So buckle up and let's get started. Step 1 is optimizing for core web vitals and user experience. This is a crucial aspect of modern web development and SEO. Google's algorithm is focused on delivering the best possible experience to its users. This means that your website needs to be fast, responsive, and visually stable. Think about it. Have you ever clicked on a website only to be met with a loading screen that seems to take an eternity? Frustrating, right? This is exactly what Google aims to avoid. Google wants users to find what they need quickly and easily, and that's where core web vitals come into play. These metrics are designed to quantify the user experience. These metrics measure the real-world user experience on your website. They provide a standardized way to evaluate how well your site performs in terms of speed, responsiveness, and visual stability. Largest Contentful Paint, LCP, measures how long it takes for the main content of your page to load. This is crucial because users want to see content as quickly as possible. First Input Delay, FID, looks at how responsive your page is to user interactions. A site that responds quickly to user inputs provides a smoother experience. Cumulative Layout Shift, CLS, tracks how much the content on your page jumps around as it loads. This is important because unexpected shifts can be jarring and frustrating for users. A website that takes forever to load, is unresponsive, and has elements shifting around creates a terrible user experience. This can lead to higher bounce rates and lower engagement. Google prioritizes core web vitals in their ranking algorithm. This means that improving these metrics can directly impact your search engine rankings. Use Google's PageSpeed Insights tool to run your website through it. This tool provides valuable insights into how your site performs on core web vitals. This will give you a detailed report of how your site performs on core web vitals and provide actionable recommendations on how to improve. Following these recommendations can significantly enhance your site's performance. One of the biggest factors affecting your core web vitals is your website's loading speed. Faster loading times lead to better user experiences and higher engagement. Studies have shown that even a 1-second delay in page load time can lead to a 7% reduction in conversions. This highlights the importance of optimizing your site's speed. Optimize your images by compressing and resizing them. Large images can significantly slow down your site, so make sure they are optimized for the web. Consider upgrading to a more robust hosting solution if you're on a shared hosting plan. Better hosting can improve your site's speed and reliability. Mobile optimization is crucial. Your website needs to look and function flawlessly on all devices. With more users accessing the web via mobile, this is more important than ever. Responsive design means your website automatically adjusts its layout and content to fit the screen size of the device it's being viewed on. This ensures a consistent experience across all devices. Consider implementing Accelerated Mobile Pages, AMP, for a super fast, lightweight mobile experience. AMP can significantly improve your mobile site's performance. Remember, optimizing for core web vitals and user experience is essential if you want to rank #1 on Google in 2025. This is not just about SEO, but about providing a great user experience. It's about providing your visitors with a seamless, enjoyable experience that keeps them engaged and coming back for more. A well-optimized site can lead to higher user satisfaction and better business outcomes. Step 2, Content Quality and EAT. Content is still king in 2025, but it's about creating high-quality, authoritative, and trustworthy content. This means going beyond just writing well. It involves thorough research, understanding your audience, and consistently delivering value. Google determines the quality and trustworthiness of your content through EAT, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. These 3 pillars are essential for building a strong online presence and gaining the trust of both search engines and users. Expertise means your content is written by experts or demonstrates a clear understanding of the topic. It's crucial to showcase your knowledge and provide insights that only a true expert can offer. Authoritativeness refers to the overall reputation and authority of your website and the author of the content. This can be achieved by earning backlinks from reputable sources, getting mentioned in authoritative publications, and consistently producing high-quality content. Trustworthiness is about transparency and accuracy. Make sure your content is fact-checked, sources are cited, and any potential biases are disclosed. This builds credibility and trust with your audience. Practical tips to improve your content's EAT include creating long-form, in-depth content that provides real value. Long-form content tends to rank better because it covers topics comprehensively and answers multiple questions that users might have. Google loves to see that you're regularly updating your content with new information and insights. This shows that your content is current and relevant, which is crucial for maintaining high rankings. Align your content with user intent. Understand what people are searching for, and create content that directly addresses those needs. This involves keyword research and understanding the questions your audience is asking. Providing comprehensive, valuable answers is key. Make sure your content is thorough and leaves no stone unturned. This not only helps with SEO but also enhances user satisfaction. Don't leave your audience hanging with unanswered questions or incomplete information. Address their concerns fully to build trust and authority. Focus on creating authoritative, trustworthy, and user-centric content that provides real value to your audience. This will not only improve your rankings but also foster a loyal readership. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. This shows both users and search engines that your site is active and up-to-date. Dive deep into topics and cover them comprehensively. This not only helps with SEO but also establishes you as an authority in your field. Understand the intent behind a search query and create content that addresses those needs. This involves not just keyword optimization, but also understanding the context and nuances of what users are looking for. This not only improves your chances of ranking higher, but also leads to a more engaged and satisfied audience. Engaged users are more likely to share your content, return to your site, and convert into customers. Remember, content quality and EAT are paramount to ranking well on Google in 2025. These elements are the foundation of a successful SEO strategy. Focus on creating high-quality content that demonstrates expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. This will set you apart from the competition and build a strong online presence. Provide real value to your audience and keep your content up to date. This will not only improve your rankings but also build a loyal audience. Align your content with user intent and provide comprehensive answers. This is key to satisfying both users and search engines. By doing this, you'll improve your chances of ranking higher and engaging your audience. High engagement rates signal to Google that your content is valuable and relevant. So to recap, content quality and EAT are crucial for ranking well on Google in 2025. Focus on these elements to build a successful and sustainable online presence. Step 3. Building high-quality backlinks. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. A backlink from a high-authority website in your niche is like a glowing recommendation from a trusted source. In 2025, it's not just about the quantity of backlinks you have, it's about the quality. Google's algorithm detects and penalizes spammy or low-quality backlinks. Focus on acquiring links from relevant, high-authority websites in your niche. Create link-worthy content that other websites naturally want to link to as a resource. This could be anything from original research and data-driven articles to in-depth guides or visually stunning infographics. Guest blogging is another effective strategy. Offer to write a guest post for reputable websites in your niche. Provide high-quality, original content that adds value to the host website's audience. Networking is crucial for earning high-quality backlinks. Connect with other website owners, bloggers, and influencers in your niche. Engage with them on social media, leave thoughtful comments on their blogs, and attend industry events. Building strong relationships can open doors to collaboration opportunities and guest blogging opportunities. Broken link building involves finding broken links on other websites in your niche and suggesting a replacement link to a relevant piece of content on your website. This is a win-win situation for both parties. The website owner gets to fix a broken link on their site, and you get a valuable backlink. Building high-quality backlinks is an ongoing process that requires patience, persistence, and a focus on quality over quantity. Don't cut corners or resort to shady tactics. Focus on building relationships, creating exceptional content, and providing value to your audience. By doing this, you'll improve your chances of earning high-quality backlinks and boosting your website's authority. Step 4. Leveraging AI and advanced SEO tools. AI is transforming the SEO game, providing powerful tools and insights that were previously unimaginable. In 2025, if you're not leveraging AI in your SEO strategy, you're going to fall behind. The landscape is evolving rapidly, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. AI-powered content generators can help you create high-quality, engaging content at scale. These tools can produce articles, blog posts, and even social media updates with remarkable efficiency. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to generate content tailored to your audience and SEO goals. They can understand context, tone, and even the nuances of human language. AI can assist human writers with tasks like generating topic ideas, conducting keyword research, optimizing content for readability, and checking for plagiarism. This collaboration between human creativity and AI efficiency can lead to outstanding results. AI is also transforming SEO auditing. Traditional methods of auditing are time-consuming and often miss critical details. SEO audit tools can analyze your website and identify technical SEO issues, on-page optimization opportunities, and areas for improvement. They provide a comprehensive overview that helps you prioritize your efforts. These tools use AI algorithms to crawl your website, analyze your backlink profile, track your keyword rankings, and provide actionable insights. This level of analysis was previously only possible with extensive manual effort. AI-powered keyword research tools can help you uncover hidden keyword opportunities, analyze search intent, and understand the competitive landscape. They can predict trends and suggest keywords that you might not have considered. AI can analyze massive amounts of data much faster and more efficiently than humans. This capability allows for real-time adjustments and more accurate forecasting. This allows you to identify patterns, trends, and insights that you might miss using traditional SEO methods. The depth of analysis provided by AI can uncover hidden opportunities and potential pitfalls. AI can help you optimize for conversational search. As more people use voice search, the way they phrase their queries is changing. With the rise of voice search and virtual assistants, people are searching using more natural language and conversational phrases. This shift requires a new approach to keyword optimization. AI-powered SEO tools can help you understand how people are searching for information using voice search and optimize your content accordingly. This ensures that your content remains relevant and accessible. As Google continues to evolve its algorithm and incorporate more AI and machine learning, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve. Keeping up with these changes can be challenging, but AI tools can help you adapt quickly. By leveraging AI-powered SEO tools, you can gain a competitive advantage. These tools provide insights and capabilities that can set you apart from your competitors. Ensure that your website is optimized for the future of search. This means not only keeping up with current trends but also anticipating future developments. AI can help you stay ahead of the curve and gain a competitive advantage. The businesses that embrace AI will be the ones that thrive in the coming years. Leverage AI-powered SEO tools to optimize your website for the future of search. By doing so, you ensure that your online presence remains strong and effective in an ever-changing digital landscape. So, there you have it, the 4 essential steps to rank #1 on Google in 2025. Remember, it's all about providing an exceptional user experience, creating high-quality content, building strong backlinks, and leveraging the power of AI. By focusing on these key areas and consistently implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to dominating Google search and achieving your online goals. Now I'd love to hear from you. What are your biggest SEO challenges? What strategies are you most excited to implement? Let me know in the comments below. Host, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more SEO tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your SEO journey.